So in some particular cases we have to divide the decimals also. Okay, now we will see how to divide the decimals. So first we will see division of decimals by 10, 100, 1000, like that. Okay, so here we have, for this purpose I am explaining check your progress problem in page number 63. So here first one, 81.5 divided by 3. So 81.5 divided by 3, that means 81.5 by 10. So when we divide 81.5 with 10, simply when we multiply, the decimal point moves towards right side, right? So when we divide, the decimal point moves towards left side. Here how many zeros are there after 1? 1 0. So the decimal point moves one digit to left. So it will becomes 8.15. Simple. 8.15. In single step you can do. So here how many zeros are there after 1? In our second one, 2 zeros are there. 2 zeros. So now the decimal point has to move 2 digits left in the division. So it will become 49.102. 49.102. Okay. So now coming to third one here. How many zeros are there in the denominator? 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So now the decimal point has to move 3 digits left side. So it will become 7.3013. Again don't put this point. This point move here. Okay. So 3013. 7.3013. And in the last one, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros, right? So here the decimal point has to move 2 digits left. Okay. So put the decimal point and write this number 1, 2, and here only one number is there. There is no second digit. So put the 0. So 0.12. It has to move. So by doing normal division we got these answers. Okay. So we can cancel also, just like division. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 1 will be there and it becomes 14. Put the point, 2 7s. Okay, every time you can cancel like that also without doing division. 8 7s are 56 point. And next only one number is eligible for division, right? But here 3 is there, so it is less than 8. So put 0 and 4. Okay, this point you have to remember very carefully. This is 7.04 and 6.5 by 4. So now 4 1s are 4. Point is there, so it is 25. 4 6 are 24 and 1 will be there. So after here decimal point is there, so here decimal point is there, we can add 0. So 10. 4 2s are 8. Again 2 will come, so we can add 0. 4 5s are 20. So with practice you can do this cancellation without doing normal division. Okay, or otherwise if you do the normal division, it's very clear. Okay, the answer will comes in exactly correct answer will comes to you. So now we will see the division of decimals by decimal numbers. Okay, so division of decimal by decimal number. So for that I am taking page number 69, check your progress problems. So here first one, 0.45 divided by 0.9. So here what is the decimal first here? 0.45. So we have to convert first to the normal fraction. We have to convert this decimal to normal fraction. So after decimal point, how many digits are there? 2 digits. So just multiply with 100 by 100. So whatever the change we are doing, we have to change the numerator and denominator. Here let us assume the denominator is 1. Okay, so 0.45 into 100, when we multiply with 100, how many zeros are there here? 2 zeros. So the decimal point moves right side, 2 decimal places right side. So the decimal point moves 2 digits right side. So now it will become 45 by 100. Okay, so these are equal to 0.45 equal to 45 by 100. Next 0.9. So take 0.9. So how many digits are there after decimal point? 1 digit, right? So we have to multiply with 10 by 10. So 0.9 into 10, 9. So this will become 9 by 10. Okay, now the problem is 0.45 divided by 0.9. That is, what is the value of 0.45? 45 by 100 divided by, what's the value of 0.9? 9 by 10, right? So now 45 by 100, in the division of fractions we have seen, this division now will become multiplication into, and now this fraction will get reverse, 10 by 9. Okay, so now you can cancel 0 0 and 9 ones, 9 fives. So the remaining is 5 into 1 5, 10 into 1 10, 5 by 10. Okay, here after decimal point 1 0 is there. So after 1 digit we have to put the decimal point. So 5. So it will be 0.5. So what is the value of 0.45 by 0.9? It is 0.5. Okay, so otherwise you can do the direct cancellation also. 45 by 9, 9 ones, 9 fives, 5 is there, no? So here in the second question, 2.125 divided by 0.05. So first 2.125. Here 3 digits are there after the decimal point. So multiply with this multiply this 2.125 with 3 zeros after 1, that is 1000 by 1000. So when we multiply with 3 zeros after 1, this decimal point moves towards right side, 3 place values. Here 3 zeros are there, no? So this decimal point also moves 3 places. So then it will becomes 2125 by 1000. Similarly, take this 0.05. Here with what number we have to multiply? Here after decimal point 2 digits are there, so we have to multiply with 2 zeros after 1. So 100 by 100. So 0.05 into 100 means the decimal point moves 2 places right side, na? So then 5 by 100. Okay, so now write the problem. 2.125 divided by 0.05 is equal to, what is this 2.125? 2125 by 1000 divided by 0.05 value, 5 by 100. Okay, so now 2125 by 1000. Now this in place of this divided by, just write multiplication symbol into, and now the reciprocal of this 5 by 100, that means the fraction will get reverse, 100 by 5. So now you can cancel these two zeros with these two zeros. Then 5 fours are 20 and 1 will be there 12. 5 twos are 10, 2 will be there 25, 5 fives are 25. So this is 425 by 10. So when we divide with 10, there is 1 0 after 1. So the decimal point is after 1 digit from right side. So it is 42.5. So the answer is 42.5. Okay. So otherwise you can do in another method just by cancellation also. So this 2.125 by 0.05. So here in numerator there are 3 digits after decimal point. In the denominator there are 2 digits after decimal point. So take more. Here 3 digits are there no after decimal point. So multiply with 1000 by 1000 just to remove this decimal point. So then this will become 2125 by, the decimal point moves 3 digits right side, right? But here only we have 2. So put another 0. So this will become 050. So this 0 do not have value now left side. So it will be 50. So now you can cancel. If you know the 5 table, already you know the 50 table also. So 5 ones are 5 fours are 20. So 50 fours are 200. 12 will be there 125 na. So 5 twos are 10. So 52s are 100, right? So again 25 will be there. Okay, 25 will be there, but it is less than 50. So put the point and we can add 0. 55 is a 25. Okay, so normal division you can do. So here 50 fours are 200, 12 will comes and we can down this number 5. So 5 twos are 52s are 100. Now 25 will be there, but this is less than 50. So put the point here and add the 0. Okay, so 5 5s are 25. So 55s are 250 and remainder equals to 0. So this value is 42.5. Okay, so in any way you can solve this. So this is the basic way and this is some advanced way, we can say that. Okay, here our third problem, 94.3 by 0.004. Okay, so we can write 94.3 as directly I am writing here 943 by 10. We will multiply with 10 by 10 and finally we get this only na. So divided by, and here 0.004 after decimal point 3 digits are there no. So we can write as 4 by 1000. Okay, so 943 by 10 in the place of division into multiplication and the reciprocal of this, that means the fraction will get reverse. So this is 1000 by 4. So 1 0 will 0 get cancelled. So here if you check what is the divisibility rule of 4, if the last two digits are divisible by 4, then it will be divisible by 4, right? So it is 43. It won't divides with 4. Okay, so if you multiply, what is the remaining? 943 into 100 by 4. So that is equal to 94,300 by 4. So now you can do normal division, that means cancellations. 4 twos are 8, 1 4. So normal division only we will do like cancellation. Okay, 4 twos are 8. So after subtraction we have 1, so same here 1, and this 4 comes down, so here 14. 4 3s are 12, so 4 3s are 12. So after subtraction we get 2, right? So 2 3 23, this 3 will comes down. So normal division only here we do without writing this. Okay, all this process have to done in your brain. Okay, okay now. So this is now 23. So 4 5s are 20, again 3 will be there now. 4 7s are 28, 2 will be there. 4 5s are 20, so it is 23,575, this value. Okay, in this way. So in the first problem I said an easy process, and in the second problem both the process, and here this. Okay, otherwise directly you can here 94.3 by 0.004. Here more number of digits after decimal point is in the denominator. So how many digits are there after decimal point? There are 3 digits. So when we multiply with 1000, this will become by 4, same. So if you cancel, same answer we will get. Okay, and the last one in this check your progress. So fourth one, 10.25 divided by 0.2. So I can write 2 decimal places, 2 digits are there after the decimal point. So this will be 1025 by 100 divided by 1 digit is there after decimal point. So I can write 2 by 10. Okay. So now write as it is, and in the place of division multiplication will come, and the second fraction will get reversed, that means reciprocal, 10 by 2. Okay, now cancel these zeros. So what is the remaining? 1025 by 20. Okay, and you know 2 table, right? 2 5s are 100, 2 5s are 10, sorry, then 25s are 100, then 25 will be there. So 21s are 20. Next normal division only, children, 100. So after subtracting 2, next number down. So here 5 will be there. This is smaller than this 20, so put 0, and we can add, put the decimal point, we can add the 0. Okay, this is the process you should keep in your brain here when dividing the decimals. So now it will be 20 2s are 40. So again it is 10. Again 10 is less than 20. So put the decimal, already decimal point is there, so we can add another 0. So 25s are 100. Okay, so finally what is the value here? 51.25. So 51.25. This will be the solution. In this way we can divide the decimal by a whole number, or we can divide the decimal with 10, hundreds, thousands, and decimal number with decimal number we have seen in this video. Please watch my videos regularly, and please give the like, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.